Hi creative birdies, how are you guys doing today? I have happy mail. Guess what? It's still December 31st. It's 5:39 p.m. I think I might get another video. I just think I might get another video in. How are you guys doing tonight and what are you guys doing? I'll be at Pink Poodle's playground. Sorry. I will be at Pink Poodle Crafts at her live. She's having karaoke. She's having guests. I think there's 3 guests, special guests. Tonight on her live, where we can interact and chat. And that's where I'll be at all night. And I'm staying home. It's just safer to stay home. I want to go somewhere, but it's just safer to stay home. I'm recording this. So that's where I'll be. But we have happy mail from Lisa Beard. Lisa Beard's my last happy mail for 2017. It's one of my favorite people anyways. Yes, she is. Alrighty. Oh, very pretty. Very pretty, pretty box. Let's see. Oh, hang on, something just fell over. Very pretty box. It's very shiny, very pretty. It's not something that, you know, I'm gonna toss. It's something I'm gonna keep actually and bring out every Christmas. It's really pretty. Let's see what's inside. Oh boy. Oh, it smells so good, whatever's in here. Aww. Secret. I didn't send you an ornament for your tree, but instead I sent you something to adorn you. I was inspired by the jewelry that you make. Hope you like it. Thank you for sharing your beautiful art and your beautiful soul. Merry Christmas to you and yours, your friend, Lisa. Aww. So sweet. Oh my goodness. She's the lady that did the Day of the Dead tassels, the boho tassels. She's done a lot though. She's the lady that sent me all the dried flowers and all those nice things. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're joking me. Is this a bracelet? You are just kidding me. She made me a bracelet. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I'm going to make you a bracelet now. That I'm going to have to add into your box because I have a box for you. And I love this stuff. Lavender rosemary. This stuff is going in my car. Oh yeah, this is going to go right underneath my car. I smell a little bit of chamomile in there also. But I could be wrong. Oh, it smells so good. I love that, but I love this more. Oh, that is beautiful, Lisa. I inspired her to do this. That's amazing. Now you can make a million more, and they're all so different. Oh, I love it. I love it. You obviously already had a knack at it. Like, you already knew what you were doing. I just inspired you to get up and create that day. Oh. Lisa, that is gorgeous. some jeans, and then like maybe a cream long sleeve turtleneck shirt, and some boots. This would be gorgeous. And some particular rings. Yes. I love, 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 love it. And it's so simple to tie. I love it. Lisa, I love it. I love it. Freaking beautiful, man. That is flippin' gorgeous. Wow. Oh, yeah, and put some shine on my nails. Put some lotion and some highlight. Yeah, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, beautiful. The inside is comfy, too. It's felt. It's actually a little more comfortable than felt, so I'm not too sure. Maybe it's batting? I'm not sure, but that's really pretty. Look how pretty. Lady made me a bracelet.
Oh, wow. That's really
It's
nice.
like a corset.
Yeah. That's really nice.
That is so pretty. And lavender. I'm going to put that in the card, too.
Smells good.
Mm-hmm. Very pretty. Wow. So pretty. I see some velvet, lace, wire. It's just a mix of beautifulness. I love it. I love it, Lisa. I'm just actually speechless a little. Wow. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, and I think that this was the best. Goodbye to 2017. Hello, 2018. This is beautiful. Wow. Even if Lisa just had an inspiration. You can make this into a journal cover also if you were to move the rose over and stick it here. Although I wouldn't want it to be. Just an idea. Look at that. I'm not closing it. But if you were to close that, that is a beautiful journal also. This is what I consider wearable art. Wearable art. Beautiful. So pretty. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you all. And Happy New Year. And I guess I tricked myself in thinking that last night's video was the last video. No, today is, but it's the best one. The best one. Happy New Year's, and thank you for all these years of your support, months, weeks, hours. Hope to see new subscribers. Hope to keep my old subscribers. I love each and every one of you guys. And take care and be safe. And I'll see you at Pink Poodle Crafts live tonight. Happy New Year, guys.